see? What exciting adventures will we choose?
Hello everyone,
Hello again
this is Darren and Susan.
from Retiredtimetocruise.
We just wanted to wish all of our Canadian friends, because of course we are Canadians, happy Thanksgiving.
That's right, it is Turkey weekend. Everyone enjoy your Thanksgiving.
We are especially thankful that we have the opportunity and the ability to go on these wonderful, epic journeys and DIY world cruises.
That's for sure. I mean, it's one of those things where you look around and you say, wow, I'm really in this place doing all the things I want to do. And I am very thankful that I have Susan with me to travel with, and also that we can afford and be able to do this travel.
And that our son Daniel is willing and able to take care of our house while we're away from home.
Yeah, that's another one too, so we don't have any house sitting costs.
And of course the rest of the extended family that all supports us and is together.
So we hope that you are enjoying your turkey dinner, or maybe you're having ham with your family and friends.
Now, we did want to address a little bit of sadness, I guess, in this video. We recently learned that two people from different YouTube channels that we watch have sadly passed away.
Yeah, it's really a surprise. Robert Murray Smith was one of them, and he was a 3D designer, maker of everything, a real handy kind of guy. That was a very big shock for me.
And the other one that was a big shock is Norm, from Norm and Tina with This Is Our Retirement. Norm passed away just really unexpectedly, and that hit us because we really found them to be an inspiration for us starting our own channel.
Yeah, that's right. When we first started, we had looked at their videos and thought, hey, if this couple can do it from Ontario, we certainly can do it from Alberta.
In the nicest way possible. We understand Tina is continuing to post videos, and I hope that she's successful with it, and we are thankful that she is making that effort. With that being said, we're happy, we're thankful, and we're going to continue to enjoy Spain in our epic journey. And
soon, very soon, in 2 weeks, we'll be on the Royal Caribbean Voyager of the Seas.
We're always exploring Spain, looking for new things, and we think we've discovered something new. It's some kind of a magic theme park in between Barcelona and Alicante.
So we're really looking forward to staying a couple nights there and checking it out, and we'll probably post a video from that for you.
That's in the plans. Anyways, thanks so much. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. Keep watching our videos.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone!
Happy Thanksgiving. Bye from Darren and Susan
with Retiredtimetocruise.
It's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us, so watch our YouTubes.